Hello kids, Mr. Agee here, and I'm here to talk to you about your word study assignment for Friday, November 6th. So yesterday we studied the short A and two different long A patterns, and today we're going to be doing the same thing with the O sounds. So we're going to review the short O sounds, which is a consonant vowel consonant pattern that makes the ah sound. That's what short O makes. And long O made two separate ways. So when you have a long vowel sound, it says its name. So it says O. So in the consonant vowel consonant silent E pattern, it codes the vowel to say its name. So we've got words that end in silent E and have an O as the vowel, and it says O. And in this pattern here, we've got another vowel team that we're studying. Yesterday was AI, making the long A sound. Well, today it's OA, a vowel team that makes the long O sound. Now, it doesn't always make that sound in words, but the more experience you get with the words, the more you can remember as you read them and as you write them, you can remember how to spell these words. So today we're looking for words that fit the pattern OA in spelling and that make the long O sound. Okay, so I'm going to read through the words so that you get a chance to hear them at least once. You might want to take a moment to pause if a word looks unfamiliar to you. I say it and then you say it to yourself a couple of times. That might be a strategy that helps you remember the sound of the words as I read them. But here we go. The words are clock, none, hole, boat, coat, lock, knock, note, crop, cross, joke, love, toast, toad, stone, chose, slope, float, shop, and soap. So I'll give you a hint. Both of the words that are going to be your oddball words are words that look like they should say long O because of a silent E on the end, but when you read them, the O doesn't actually make the O sound. It makes a different sound. So as you paste in, make sure you're paying attention to what the word actually sounds like, not just the spelling pattern. So you will have two oddballs in this sort as well. And then the last page, you should be familiar with this activity by now, but basically it asks you to say the words and then sort them into the three categories. Ah, short O, so you've got a consonant, vowel, consonant. Notice there's two consonants here, but the pattern's the same. If you've got a consonant surrounded or a vowel surrounded by consonants with no coding for it to say its name, then it's going to be a short vowel sound, like in lost. Ah. And here we've got the OA pattern that makes O. And here we've got the O consonant E, the O consonant silent E pattern, which also makes the long O sound. O, like in drove, drove. So you'll use these words in the purple box to sort them into the categories that they belong to, practicing being neat, organized, and beautiful in your writing. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again soon. After you finish your work today, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy your Friday.